here at the Chicago Fishing, Travel, and Outdoors Expo. It's been a great day, and one of the things that I've really noticed walking through this expo so far is there's a lot of stuff kind of meant for ladies and female anglers, and that's really exciting. So we're actually here in a booth, Athena and Artemis Fly Shop, with Jerry. So tell us a little bit about yourself and the fly shop.
So my name is Jerry Meyer, and I am the owner of Athena and Artemis Fly Shop, as well as co-owner with my husband of the Driftless Angler Fly Shop, which is in Baroqua, Wisconsin, so in the Driftless area. And I put this together after many years of finding that there was nothing for women in fly shops, or in shops to begin with. They're at all shops. So I thought I'm going to put it together, I'm going to go to shows, I'm going to put it online, and it's working out really well.
And so as I'm walking up to the booth, there's a few things that I notice. First of all, some really wearable items. A lot of times people will kind of balk at female fishermen. Why do you want something cute when function is important? But this is really a lot of gear here that can be cute and functional at the same time.
Really technical. That is the cool thing that's happening in the industry in general, not just fly fishing, but all fishing in general, is that women's gear used to just be, one layer, pink it and shrink it kind of crap. And now companies are realizing that women need gear that's extremely technical. So, we've got, this is an amazing Primo loft. It fits in waders. We've got wading jackets. I'm pretty much in parity with what a lot of men have right now. Women are also finally getting some really good stuff.
Well, and in addition to that, that doesn't mean that it's going to hit you over the face with pink.
Nope.
There's a lot of other great colors. If you're looking to match the jacket that you already have, if you want to add to your existing waders with another layer, that is the kinds of things that are all over this booth. And the fun thing is, if you can come to this expo, I heard that there was a sales side of the booth. So even if you're looking for some really practical and affordable items, this is a place that you can look.
Absolutely, absolutely. You can find all of our discontinued stuff half off. And then the brand new stuff that's kind of the wow, new, crazy cool stuff on this side. And we're happy to show any and all ladies and gentlemen also.
So for people who are around the Chicagoland area here, you can certainly come and check this all out. I think I even saw that they built a fitting room in the back. Yeah, so if you really want to be sure of what your size is and make sure that you're getting products that you love, that is something that's possible. For people who are not able to be here today, how do they find you?
Online, womensflyshop.com, or the Driftless Angler, info at driftlessangler.com.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So come on down here, come on check it out. Otherwise, we'll see you on the water.
Thank you.